Hello, James Manning here, founder of Real Income Club, and this is one of two videos that will quickly get you set up in connecting your trafficwave.net autoresponder to the capture pages built into your promo tools. This is one of the capture pages that you see on screen now, and just quickly to tell you how this works, you see three fields: name, email, and username. When the visitor completes this and presses join now, it does two things. First thing is it does is creates their Real Income Club account, in which they'll receive an email and they need to verify the email address. The second thing it does is it adds them to the list that we are going to create a campaign for in this video. So if you log into your trafficwave.net back office, the first thing you'll do is hover over autoresponder and then click create new campaign. Now on the first page, the very first field is campaign nickname. That's important because you're going to need that inside your Real Income Club back office. Just quickly, let's go over to your Real Income Club back office. This is under instructions, and we're going to scroll down to autoresponder setup. And if you go in number one, go to, it says campaign name, Real Income Club. So just double click, copy, and you can paste right there. Now I've already set this up, so just for the sake of an example, I'm going to use a different name, but that's what you will use right there. Okay, the next field is optional. I'm going to enter Real Income Club, just the fun of it. And the next one is optional, but we're definitely not going to use that, so leave it as it is. We are creating a new campaign, not copying settings from an existing campaign. So click verify my nickname. And on the next page, which is step 2, all three fields are required and important because these are signature tokens that are what populates the letters that will be in the autoresponder series. So just a quick note, I've already created all the letters for you, so you don't have to worry about creating those. We'll retrieve those in the next video. So the first field is your name. The next field is return email address. You already have a return email address in your trafficwave.net back office profile. You can use the same email address for every campaign you create, or you can have different email addresses for different campaign purposes. The only thing is that you have to make sure all of them are validated. So if you enter an email address in this field here that you haven't validated, it will require you to do so before you can use this campaign. I'm going to use one that I already have validated, and that's james@realincome.club, and then the campaign title, Real Income Club. Okay, now we're going to move to step 3. And step 3 is very quick and easy. It is all of your information that's already in your trafficwave.net profile. All you need to do is just click the checkbox here and it will automatically fill that in, and we can go to step 4. Step 4, we're not going to make any changes here either. These are the fields for the data that's collected on the capture page. Remember, name, email, username. Username is not necessary for the autoresponder, only for creating the account. But from the name, we're using a single field, which is already selected. We're not separating first name and last name. Email address is always required for any capture page for a list. So click move to step 5. On this page, which is the final step, the first section is notification of subscriptions. And this is me personally, I like to receive those to let me know when someone new has joined my list. So I will click send me an email. The remainder of this page, I always leave exactly as it is. We are not allowed to have any types of promotional or referral links, verbiage, or anything on this page. This is confirmation page when they are confirming their subscription. So I'll leave this as it is to make sure that I'm in compliance, and I check this box here that I agree to the above requirements and click the finish button. And now it is setting up your campaign, which now it's telling you to go to the letters tab to create letters. As I mentioned earlier, I've already created those for you, so no need to worry about that. We will do that in the very next video. See you there.